The APC governorship candidate Senator Monday Ugbogiobo don promise say im go make sure say education for Edo State better pass as e dey now and say im go give students better learning opportunity. Senator Monday Ugbogiobo tok those one for one talk session wey dem do while the campaign council dey inspect Ugbogiobo community primary and secondary schools as part of their campaign for Ovia North-East local government area of the state. Ugbogiobo come yarn say education na the key to sustainable development and say even though say education get power to change people lives and move country forward, e shock am say many Nigerian schools, especially public schools, dey in bad shape. Both Senator Monday Ugbogiobo and Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa come show their displeasure with the condition of the schools and come promise say if dem win, dem go rebuild the schools and make am better. Sound.
The campaign Director General
Senator Adams Oshiomhole wey also join body with the campaign train for the Chechek Waka come talk say im dey shame say Governor Obaseki administration never do anything for the schools, say e be expect say dem for don finish am by now.
To be honest, not quite, because as we were going, it was the candidate, the governorship candidate, Monday Ugbogiobo, who said, "Is that a school?" And I said, "Yes." This is what Obaseki called Edo Best. And that's why I keep saying that he had collusion with the World Bank office in Abuja. And we need to compare the World Bank to come and see where they have invested over $200 billion in the name of model school. Now, this one, the red one, those are the ones I did. And like the community chairman mentioned, after all the effort they've made to get the governor to come and do, Obaseki to come and do this school, they couldn't get it. Now went on radio, man around town, to speak out about what they were suffering. But, you know, I mean, now the shame is that they told us now, the chairman of the community, that this is meant to be the primary school. Now they take children from pupils from this code, secondary school, Obaseki's Best, and take them to the primary school. So the primary school people are competing for space with their secondary school counterpart because they all want to go to the beautiful red roof. But Obaseki, before I left office, the idea was he will continue, because no one government can finish everything. He will continue where we have started, he will continue and finish it. Now we did the primary school and then he abandoned the secondary. You can see, how can anybody attend this?
Thank you.
So it's a shame. I'm not surprised because everywhere you go in Edo, you will find schools even in worse conditions than this.
Residents come also talk say dem don call on state government plenty times for help, but nothing don change and the schools still dey in bad conditions.
can happen in Edo today and it shared so much to people. That is Senator Matthew Obuhide.
Make una not forget say as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Ovia Northeast local government area of the state, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.